n equals 2y naught by L multiplied to integral 0 to L sin 2 pi x by L into sin n pi x by L into dx. When you give n equals 1 in the expression of an, you get a1 equals 2y naught by L integral 0 to L sin 2 pi x by L multiplied to sin pi x by L. This is of the form integral 0 to L sin mx into sin nx where m not equal to n. After integration we will get the integral as 0. When you give n equals 2 here, you have a2 equals 2y naught by L integral 0 to L sin 2 pi x by L multiplied to sin 2 pi x by L into dx, which can be written as 2y naught by L integral 0 to L sin square 2 pi x by L into dx. We have integral 0 to L sin square 2 pi x by L dx equals L by 2, and thus we obtain a2 equals 2y naught by L into L by 2, which is y naught. When you try to evaluate a3, a4 etc. giving n equals 3, n equals 4 in this expression, you will obtain integral of the form integral 0 to L sin mx into sin nx into dx where m not equal to n, and hence you will obtain a3, a4, a5 etc. all values becoming 0. Now let us evaluate Bn, which is obtained by the formula 2 pi Na integral 0 to L nu naught sin pi x by L multiplied to sin pi nx by L into dx. We obtain Bn from this formula. We will replace Gx using this expression g of x equals nu naught sin pi x by L, and thus we arrived at this expression for Bn. When you give n equals 1, you obtain B1 equals 2 nu naught by pi a integral 0 to L sin square pi x by L, which equals L by 2. Thus we have B1 equals 2 nu naught by pi a multiplied to L by 2, which becomes nu naught L by pi a. When you give values n equal 2, 3 etc., you will see that you will obtain integral of the form integral 0 to L sin nx into sin mx into dx where m not equal to n, and hence integral will give you 0 as the answer. Therefore, values of Fourier coefficients b2, b3 etc. will all be 0. Here we have obtained Fourier coefficients a2 equals y naught and b1 equals nu naught L by pi a, which are the only non-zero Fourier coefficients, and hence we have the general solution obtained as y of xt equals y naught sin 2 pi x by L cos 2 pi at by L plus nu naught L by pi a sin pi x by L sin pi at by L. Notice that in this entire summation for the first term n equals 2 only has a non-zero expression. Similarly, for this term n equals 1 only has non-zero expression. We observed that since only two Fourier coefficients are non-zero, the general solution which gives us the displacement function is just a sum of two terms.